Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss GK based on Ambedkar Jayanti and Constitution. Top 30 questions with answers. Questions are commonly asked in competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC exams. First question. When is Ambedkar Jayanti celebrated in every year? Answer. April 14th. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti is an annual festival observed on 14 April to commemorate the memory of B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was a politician, economist, jurist, and social reformer. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mhow, Madhya Pradesh. Second question. When was Dr. Ambedkar given Bharat Ratna? Answer. 1990. Bharat Ratna was given to Dr. Ambedkar by government of Vishwanath Pratap Singh in 1990. Where is Ambedkar National Institute of Technology? Answer. Jalandhar. Fourth question. Name the app which PM Modi dedicated to Ambedkar. Answer. Bhim app. Bhim is an Indian mobile payment app developed by National Payment Corporation of India based on Unified Payments Interference. This named after B.R. Ambedkar. Fifth question. Where is Ambedkar Memorial Park located in India? Answer. Lucknow. Ambedkar Memorial Park, formerly known as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajik Pavitran Pratik Sthal, is a public park and memorial in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh in India. Sixth question. Which day is celebrated as National Legal Day and Constitution Day in India? Answer. 26th November. National Law Day or Constitution Day is celebrated on November 26. The Law Day or Constitution Day of India aims to bring awareness to the importance of the Indian Constitution and its architect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Seventh question. Who prepared the layout of Indian Constitution? Answer. Nandalal Bose. Nandalal Bose was one of the pioneers of modern India art and a key figure of contextual modernism. Eighth question. The idea of fundamental rights is borrowed from which country? Answer. USA. The model of fundamental rights in India has been taken from the Constitution of USA. Ninth question. Who is the architect of preamble of Indian Constitution? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru proposed an objective resolution, and that is when Dr. B.R. Ambedkar designed the text of Constitution and preamble. Tenth question. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer. Vice President. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha who presided over its sessions. The current ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha is Venkaiah Naidu. 11th question. In which year preamble was amended? Answer. 1976. 12th question. Which schedule deals with official languages in Indian Constitution? Answer. Schedule 8. Languages include in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution, Department of Official Language. 13th question. Electricity comes under which list of Schedule 7 in Indian Constitution? Answer. Concurrent list. 14th question. Anti-defection law is added by which amendment of Indian Constitution? Answer: 52nd Amendment of 1985. The 52nd Amendment Act 1985, foundation of our democracy and principle which sustain it, is meant for outlawing defection and fulfilling the above assurance political party after the expiry of the said period of 6 months. 15th question. Which part of Indian Constitution is known as Magna Carta? Answer: Part 3. Article 12 to 35 contained in Part 3 of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights. 16th question. Which article refers abolition of untouchability? Answer: Article 17. Article 17, abolition of untouchability, is abolished and its practice in any form of forbidden. 17th question. Who said Article 32 is the heart and soul of Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 18th question. How many types of writs are there in Indian Constitution? Answer: 5. There are 5 types of writs, which are habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition. 19th question. Which term is used in Indian Constitution to refer budget? Answer: Annual financial statement. The annual financial statement is a document presented to Parliament every financial year as part of the budget process as required under Article 112 of Indian Constitution. 20th question. How many schedules are there in Right to Information Act 2005? Answer: 2 schedules. 21st question. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: G.V. Mavalankar. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar, popularly known as Dada Saheb, was an independence activist, the President of Central Legislative Assembly, then Speaker of Constituent Assembly of India, and later the first Speaker of Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Parliament. He was born on 1888 November 27 at Vadodara and died on 27 February 1956 at Ahmedabad. 22nd question. Who is considered as the guardian of public purse? Answer: Comptroller and Auditor General. Comptroller and Auditor General is an independent authority under the Constitution of India. The office of Accountant General was established in 1858. He is the head of Indian Audit and Account Department and chief guardian of the public purse. 23rd question. Which committee of the Parliament has the most number of members? Answer: Estimate Committee. Estimate Committee. The committee estimates constituted for the first time in 1950 is a committee consisting of 30 members elected every year by the Lok Sabha from amongst its members. 24th question. Who is the chairman of First Finance Commission? Answer: K.C. Niyogi. K.C. Niyogi was an Indian politician from West Bengal. He was a member of Constituent Assembly of India, member of the first cabinet of independent India, and the chairman of the first Finance Commission of India. Twenty-fifth question. Universal adult franchise is dealt by which article? Answer: Article 326. 26th question. Who is known as the first law officer of the country? Answer: Attorney General. Attorney General for India is the first law officer of the government. He is the Indian government's chief legal advisor and its primary lawyer in the Supreme Court of India. The 15th and current Attorney General is K.K. Venugopal. 27th question. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Answer: President. Chief Justice of India and the judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President under Clause 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution. The new Chief Justice of India is N.V. Ramana. 28th question. Which article of Indian Constitution empowers Governor to promulgate ordinance? Answer: Article 213. Next question. What is the term of office of an elected member of Rajya Sabha? Answer: 6 years. Each member is elected for term 6 years. Rajya Sabha or Council of States is the upper house of the bicameral Parliament of India. As of 2021, it has maximum membership of 245, of which 233 are elected by legislatures of the state. Last question. Who presented the first budget of independent India? Answer: R.K. Shanmukham Shetty. Finance Minister R.K. Shanmukham Shetty presented the first budget of independent India. Thank you for watching.